It's a staging coupler. This is an N to M two-stage. There's a piston down here in the center. Piston, when the piston fires, it will pop these three catches.
Yeah.
When the catch comes up, that releases this pawl, which is grabbing a lip on this piece. This is attached here.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, okay.
So it's about a 300 to 1 mechanical advantage right now.
And then you say this stays with the upper stage then?
Right.
All right.
And then that center bolt in there with the O-rings stops the piston from moving out.
All right.
It captures the piston and adjusts or absorbs some of the shock. The piston has holes drilled around it to release the pressure. So as soon as it's gotten to move far enough to release the levers, the pressure's released.
Oh, okay. Well, good.
So this is simming at somewhere around 32,000 feet, right at Mach 2.
Now, have you tried this coupler before?
No, first time.
First time. But you've tested and it works every time?
It has worked every time I've tested it.
How many times has that been?
About 2.
About 2. That's okay. That's good.
I was really setting the size charge based on the computation and then going up from there to see how far I could drive it. So I'm not worried about the coupler.
No, I like the
everything
coupler.
else.
Well, there's a lot more to go wrong than just a coupler. So when are you going to fly this?
As soon as I fill out the flight card.
Today?
Yeah. So it's carrying, it's in trimodal red N motor and a trimodal red 98 millimeter in the booster, 75 millimeter trimodal red in the sustainer, which puts it, total impulse is just under an O. It's a full N. And it uses AARDs, so dual deployment out of one end of the tube. It's got a dog tracker in the top, GPS tracker, a Marshall radio tracker in the booster, an HD camera in the sustainer.
Yeah, it's okay. It hasn't wrecked yet. Thank you. Hey, what do you do this, Bill? Hold on 1 second.
Hi, I'm Ken Overton. I'm with Tripoli, North Texas, coming out of Plano, Texas. This rocket's called Big Bird, 16 feet, about 66 pounds. It's a two-stage, N to M, research motors. It's flying with an HD camera. It's dual deploy out of both ends. It has an AARD in each of the booster and the sustainer. It's using a Marshall radio tracker in the booster and a Garmin tracker, GPS tracker in the sustainer. What else? The staging coupler is the unique thing here. Custom designed, custom made. It uses a kind of a lever over action and a central piston to release it. Head end ignition on the sustainer. Both motors are EX motors, trimodal reds.
All right, what does it sim to?
Simming to about 33.
Nice.
Right around Mach 2.
Awesome.
So it'll either be cool or it'll be really cool.
Excellent. Good luck.
Thank you.